Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. Have you ever had trouble when you were mounting a stamp onto a clear block and you start stamping away and all of a sudden your stamp falls off? And to try and get it back on your clear block, you got ink all over everything, or maybe you smudged your project? Well, no more of that nonsense. Stampin' Up! Has introduced in the Occasions catalog a brand new type of stamp set. It's called a cling stamp set. I have purchased one recently and I thought I would show you a different way to mount your stickers onto your stamps. So this is the Beauty Abounds stamp set, and you can tell that it's a cling stamp set in two ways. First of all, it shows you above the title right on the package, and then it also shows you on the side, on the spine of the case underneath the name of the stamp. It also shows you in the catalog. The print is really fine, so you have to look really closely. Now when you get one of these cling stamp sets, you open it up. It has a set of instructions inside about how to mount your labels onto your stamps. But a demonstrator friend of mine, hey Carmen, she showed me a different way, and I thought I would share her way with you because it works much better for me. So when you get your stamp set, you get your red rubber, and then you have your sticker sheet, and I'm going to show you how to apply the sticker onto the stamp. So I've done some already because I've used it already. So I'm going to take this stamp, which is the one that says, "Our friendship isn't one big thing." So here's what you do. First of all, you take the cover, this little paper cover, off of the stamp, and then you put it back into the, I guess the template, or I don't know what we would call this, but anyway, put it back in, and then you're going to take your sticker from the sticker sheet completely off. You're going to take the whole thing completely out of the sticker sheet. And then what you're going to do is you're going to peel off just one side of the sticker. Okay, so you've got the real sticky side, but you still got this side on. Then what you want to do is you want to take the side that is not sticky and line it up onto the stamp. Then let go of the sticky side and then press it down. That way you get perfect alignment. Then what you do is you lift this side, peel the sticker off, and then carefully fold it back down and then press it so that there's no air bubbles in it. That is an amazing way because it lines up perfectly so that when you take it out and you put it on your clear block, like so, it sticks like a charm, and you've got perfect alignment so that when you turn it over and you ink it up and stamp it down, you won't stamp crooked. At least I haven't yet. Now here's another tip you need to know, is that when you finish stamping with these, don't leave them on your clear blocks while you do a bunch of other things. Peel it off and put it back inside the sticker sheet, I guess we'll call it. Because if you leave it on here for a long period of time, it becomes very difficult to peel off because it is so sticky. And I'm going to give you one final tip. When you put your sticker sheet back in your stamp case, make sure that you put it so that the stickers, the words that you can see, are face up, so that when you close the lid, there's still some room between the inside cover and the sheet. If, for example, you turned it over, you're going to end up with your stickers down right on the bottom part of the case, which may make it really difficult to peel them off. They are that sticky. They're that sticky, and I love them, and I strongly recommend you give the cling stamp sets a try. If you've tried these already and you've tried stamping with them. Leave a comment underneath this video and let me know what you think of the new cling stamp sets. I am very impressed with them. I hope you are too, but even if you're not, I would like to know why. I hope you've enjoyed this cling stamp video. If you did, please click the like button and don't forget to click that little bell. That will give you a notification every time I publish a new video, and I try and publish at least one video a week. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you stamped something beautiful today. Bye for now.